Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to scrape website data with Browse AI in 2026. If you want to extract information from websites without writing code, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Browse AI account. Next, from the dashboard, click Create New Robot to start a new scraping project. Now enter the URL of the website you want to scrape and let Browse AI open the page. Next, choose the option to extract data from the website. Now follow the training process by clicking on the text, images, prices, or other elements you want the robot to collect. Next, continue selecting similar items until Browse AI understands the pattern of the data you want to extract. Now review the selected fields and make sure the correct information is being captured. Next, save your robot and run a test extraction to verify that everything works properly. Now review the extracted data in your Browse AI dashboard and make any adjustments if necessary. Finally, export the collected data or connect Browse AI to your preferred apps and workflows if you need automatic updates. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to scrape website data with Browse AI. You can now automate data collection quickly and efficiently without any coding. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.